How to manage your account Findability on Etsy. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to etsy.com and log into your account. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top here and click on your account. Now click on account settings right here. After you click account settings, it will take you to this page right here. You will find many options, as you can see. All what you have to do is click on this privacy option here in the top. After you click on privacy, it will take you to this page, as you can see. Now scroll down and you will find the findability option. You can now from here enable it or disable it easily. After you finish, click save changes and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.